Now, to be able to sync your auto runs to Strava, you need to go to the watch, go to settings, then scroll down to health. Now go to auto runs. It's right at the bottom. These activities to detect. So that's the one. Select running and then enable record location. Make it precise. Now what happens is if it detects that you're doing an auto run, it will also record your location. Here's an example. It auto detected that I was doing a run. I didn't realize that it was on auto detect. So when it does the auto detect, it's also recording the location and that will sync to Strava. So let's test this out. As you can see, it says running auto. Okay, so here's the run that it auto detected. So I did it 5:24 and this is the one on Strava.
Generate by AI.
So the distance was different, but it at least recorded.